Hello students, here we are seeing the parts of flower. In a flower, main parts are petals, which are the colored part of the flower, sepals, which are the green leaves below the flower, male part, stamen, which consists of two parts. First, anther, which contains the pollen grains, and filament, which join it to the flower. Next is the female part of the flower is pistil. The topmost part of pistil is a stigma, then style, and below it ovary. You can see here the female part pistil and male part of flower stamen separately. As you know, the pollination is transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma. So in a flower, here these are pollen grain containing anthers. These burst and the pollen grains transfer to the stigma of the pistil, and through a pollen tube they reach up to the ovules, and here they fertilized to make new seeds. Now we see the dissection of flower practically. This is a gulmohar flower. These are red colored petals. Blue petals, these are green colored sepal. These are male part anther and filament, combinedly called stamen. See, upper part is anther, which contains the pollen grains, and in all between it is the female part of flower called pistil, contains the ovary, upper part stigma, style, and then below ovary. So these are four main part of the flower: petals, sepals, male part stamen, and female part pistil. You can see it here. I assembled all the parts after dissecting the flower: petals, sepals, stamen, and pistil.